Hello everyone, and welcome to this video presentation of the top 3 cordless vacuum cleaners available on Amazon. I'm excited to introduce you to 3 outstanding vacuum cleaners, each catering to specific needs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the best value for money, or the absolute best, we've got you covered. Don't forget that you can find all the links for these products in the video description below. Let's get started. Let's begin with our budget-friendly option, the BISSELL CleanView Compact. Despite its affordable price, it offers decent cleaning performance on a variety of surfaces. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and it's perfect for quick cleanups. The BISSELL CleanView Compact also has a swivel steering feature, allowing you to navigate around furniture effortlessly. On Amazon.com, it has received an impressive 4.5-star rating, making it a solid choice for those looking to save some money without sacrificing cleanliness. Next up, we have the Shark HV371 Rocket Pro, which offers the best value for money. This versatile vacuum can be used as an upright or a handheld vacuum, giving you flexibility in your cleaning routine. Its HEPA filtration captures nearly all particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The Shark Rocket Pro also comes with various attachments for tackling different cleaning tasks, from pet hair to crevices. On Amazon.com, it has garnered a strong 4.6-star rating, reflecting its high-level performance at an affordable price. Now, let me introduce you to our top pick, the Dyson V11 Absolute. It's the best in its class, and here's why. First and foremost, its suction power is simply breathtaking thanks to its advanced digital motor. You get deep down cleaning like you've never experienced before. With a generous dustbin capacity, you can tackle larger cleaning tasks without frequent emptying. Plus, its real-time battery life display puts you in control. No matter what types of floors you have in your home, the Dyson V11 Absolute adapts and ensures spotless cleaning. On Amazon.com, it boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating, making it the absolute best choice for many satisfied customers. So, there you have our 3 recommendations for the best cordless vacuum cleaners on Amazon, with each one having its specific characteristics and star ratings. Don't forget to check the video description below for all the links to these products and their Amazon.com star ratings. Whether you prefer the budget-friendly option, the best value for money, or the absolute best, there's a vacuum cleaner here to suit your needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more product recommendations and buying tips.